Hey guys, my name is Dylan and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel today. I genuinely appreciate it. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Make sure you like and subscribe, blah, 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 all that before you leave. Alright, so I recently started a low-carb diet, a ketogenic diet I guess you would say, because I've gained a lot of weight. I don't really want to gain weight because all growing up I was thinner and was always the hot one, and now I'm kind of just like the funnier chunky guy, and I'm not down with that. So I was vegetarian for a little bit and actually ended up gaining weight because I just didn't do it right. I ate only like mac and cheese and stuff like that, and it just wasn't a good look for me. I do still do my part for helping animals by doing Meatless Monday. If you don't know what Meatless Monday is, Google it. It's just how you could help with the over-demand in the meat industry by just cutting out meat on Mondays, blah blah blah. Anyway, today I figured I'd try something a little bit different and I would show you guys one of my keto recipes. So I've done this diet before in the past. I lost a lot of weight on it, unfortunately gained it all back, but over the years, I've really just collected a lot of recipes for this diet that are really yummy and pretty easy to make and affordable. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my buffalo chicken cauliflower casserole. Ketogenic. Wow. Alright, let's go to the kitchen. Alright, so here we go. Let's start off with your ingredients. These are the things you're going to need to make this casserole. So, I just got some little pans here because I'm going to make a couple. I can make two just to kind of like trial and error. You can put more cauliflower in one, more chicken in one, blah blah blah. I got 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. I've been letting them soften a little bit. I got a pack. I got this from the grocery store. It's just one of these little, I don't know, made to order. I kind of chopped them down to bite size. I didn't even chop them, I just kind of pulled them apart with my hands to make them bite size, easier to eat. I got some rotisserie chicken here. We're just gonna shred it up. Yum yum. Blue cheese, this is optional. I really like this on top. You obviously don't have to add this step if you don't like blue cheese. I've got some regular hot sauce. You can use like Texas Pete's, Frank's, anything you like. Some ranch dressing, just regular old ranch dressing. And then I got just some regular cheddar cheese shredded, nothing fancy. And then the only bitch I'll ever endorse, Queen Pam. Girl, I never buy cheap. I never buy store brand on this. This is not sponsored, but girl, Pam, she does the damn thing. All right. Let's get started. I'm gonna quickly shred this chicken. You could cut this, that would be easier probably, but I love shredded chicken, so I'm just gonna go in with my clean hands and just shred the hell out of this chicken. Just go for it. I leave the skin in there because I actually honestly like the flavor of the rotisserie chicken skin. So that's about all the chicken we need. Just enough to put in here. Just make sure it's nice and shredded. I know there's still some chicken left on here. What I'm gonna do with this part, I don't really like these pieces of meat, so I give them to my dog. So I take all the rest of it off and she can have that. So we'll put that aside for her. She'll love that later. Okay, to this, just go through, make sure they're all nice bite-sized, similar pieces. You know, you want them all to be a little uniform, just so everything cooks the right way and everything looks good in the end. You don't want anything way too big or anything, well, whatever. You get where I'm going. Next to this, we're gonna add in our 2 cream cheese blocks. These been softened a little bit. I know you guys might be cringing at the lack of gloves I'm using, but I'm the only one that's going to be eating this because I am forever alone. So don't worry about my gloveless hands. one block. Then we're going to mix all of this together. You can use a spoon, but that's not fun. Let's use our hands. Really, really dig into it and separate all that cream cheese and just make all of it married and make sure every bite is just not going to be just straight up cream cheese, but a lot of chicken too. Next, we want to add in our cauliflower. I might not add the whole thing just because this looks like a lot. Yeah, that looks about good to me. Put that to the side. And we're going to go ahead with that, adding on in our cheddar cheese. I take a pack and I just kind of dump in half. As you can see, I've used about half the pack I dumped in there. The other half we're going to use for the topping, so don't throw that away. Well, obviously, why the hell would you throw that away? Next to this, we're going to add in a cup or so of the ranch. Now, I just eyeball everything. That seems like about enough. Next comes our buffalo sauce. Now this all is depending on you. I like a lot, so we're gonna be here a minute. That seems good. Now, we're just gonna go back in with our hands and mix all that together. And lastly, just some salt and pepper, and we're ready. Now we grab our 2 pans. Get our best friend, our bitch Pam. You know I love Pam. Ah. Shake her up nice and good, and just give that a good coating.
Perfect. Now we're just gonna scoop everything into here. Or scoop at least half of it. Let's see. This one, we'll just kind of go back and forth. And then just spread. Then we're gonna take some of our yummy blue cheese. Just kind of sprinkle that around. And then on this one. And then a little cheddar as well. And this one. Cool. All right, we got our oven nice and preheated to 350. So we're just going to yum. Place it right there. And this one there. And we're gonna set it for a timer for about, let's do about 17. So it's been 17 minutes. We're gonna give it a little checkup. Definitely not ready yet. So we're gonna go back up here. We're gonna pop it in for about 5 more minutes, making a total of 22 minutes in the oven. See you in 5. I heard it. See how we're looking. Let's see if I can get like, really no forks? Whatever. Let me see. I could stand it for a little bit longer. We're gonna do 9 more minutes, and that should do the trick, I swear. Okay, this shit has to be ready now. Oh yeah, that's what you want. A little golden brown color. That's beautiful. She's done. Let's take her out. Oh yes. Yum. Okay, here we are with the finished product. So good. It looks so good. So I'm gonna go enjoy this. I hope you guys try it out. At least give it a shot. If you're on a keto diet, low carb, give it a try. It's worth it. It's one of the best things. It really reheats really well. I like to do this on like a Sunday, and then I can meal prep for my week until Tuesday. If you want, you can get low-carb wraps and put them in a wrap. I found that was a really good thing to do. Oh my god, my hair, I just realized. If you want to get, they make low-carb wraps that really are good in these, and then I take those, put it in the wrap, and then I grill it. Oh, so good, so good. So if you like this video and you want to see more low-carb recipes, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you want. I make weird videos. And by weird, I just mean all over the place. Thank you guys so much, and have a good day. Fuck.